Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to try and install Ubuntu Studio in Elementary OS 8. So Elementary OS 8 is based on Ubuntu Noble Numbat, that is 24.04 LTS, and we will try to see whether the Ubuntu Studio installer works in Elementary OS 8 or not, and if the installation is successful, whether we can do some real work in the Elementary OS 8 or not. So that we are going to see. So I have opened up the Ubuntu Studio.org page, and this is the installer page. So installer page is available here in the custom tools. I have clicked here and I have reached this page. Now you have to just copy this command, and this command should work in Ubuntu or any official flavor of Ubuntu, but we are going to see whether it works in Elementary OS 8 or not, because earlier we have tried. It works in multiple Linux distribution. It works in Linux Mint. It works in many other Linux distributions that are based on Ubuntu or Debian. It will even work, I think, in Seduction OS also. I have not tried, but maybe it will work there also. It worked in Bodhi Linux also. It was workable. I tried some recordings. It is working perfectly well in Linux Mint as well as the Bodhi Linux. So let us try. So now I am going to open a terminal. You have to paste this command and you have to just install the Ubuntu Studio installer. So first it will install the Ubuntu Studio installer. Yes, it is getting installed. You can see it here. Everything is working fast. Once this is done, there is step 2. You have to start the script. This is nothing but a script for the Ubuntu Studio. Process is completed. So now what we are going to do is we will just go back to the terminal. Now we have to check whether the installer is there or not. So it will install. Yes, you can see the GUI based front end for the Ubuntu Studio installer script is there. You have to click here. Okay. I will just close this. Now it is not required. So packages are information is successfully refreshed. Anything else is there? Okay. So I think we have to close. Yes, now it will show us the options to install the Ubuntu Studio. So you can choose between any of these packs. So these are sub packages inside the main Ubuntu Studio package. So if you want, you can install the Linux low latency kernel. You can install the Ubuntu Studio low latency settings, Ubuntu Studio performance tweaks, Ubuntu Studio audio, Ubuntu Studio graphics, Ubuntu Studio photography, Ubuntu Studio publishing, Ubuntu Studio video, Ubuntu Studio wallpapers, Ubuntu Studio menu, Ubuntu Edu music. So this is the music education application bundle. So what we'll do is, let us try to install everything. Let us see what happens. Once this is done, I think we have to click here. So it is asking us for password once more. Okay, so we have to input our sudo password. Now it is downloading the packages. So we are going to install everything that is available in the Ubuntu Studio. All packages, everything we are going to install. It should take around 10-15 minutes on my system, not more than that. Of course, I'm going to clip the video, I'm going to cut the video and make it short, otherwise this video will going to be around 30-35 minutes in total. So you can see the download speed is quite good, 3.6 Mbps. Let us first check what applications are available right now. You can see these only applications are there, not many. And once the Ubuntu Studio is installed, it will install a lot of applications. So you can see the change. So once the installation is complete, I will stop the video there and there. And then in the next video, we'll check out which applications got installed and whether we can do any recording or not. Because I already installed the OBS Studio, so we'll try to do a fake recording, that is a trial recording, and then I will run the record also, so you can see whether the recording works or not. Okay, so the installation of Ubuntu Studio in Elementary OS 8 is complete. I will now stop the video here. In the next video, we will take a quick look at the Elementary OS 8 with the Ubuntu Studio, whether the Ubuntu Studio applications are all well installed, the configurations are working, everything, wallpapers that are installed as a part of Ubuntu Studio in Elementary OS 8, how they look, everything we will check out in the next video. That is the quick look at Ubuntu Studio in Elementary OS 8. So see you then, bye.